Field artillery is known as the king of battle, and airborne infantry, the queen of battle. The 82nd Airborne Division's Erik Holmes gets a unique chance to be both. Holmes joined the military to become and train as an airborne infantryman, known as an 11 Bravo. Since joining the 2nd Advise and Assist Brigade, he's been placed with the Brigade's artillery battalion, known as the Black Falcons.
Actually, my MOS is an 11 Bravo infantry. They told me I was switching over to 13 Bravo. It's pretty interesting. I enjoy it.
13 Bravo is a field artilleryman, something that before getting to his unit, Specialist Holmes knew nothing about.
My section chief and my other team members helped me out a lot, run me through the motions.
Today, Holmes is officially certifying as the advanced party member of the artillery team.
By my own standard, I think I did pretty well. I kind of had a little bit of a hiccup where I stopped the truck a little too soon, but I picked right back up on it. I rolled it off and I was like, you know what, I just got to do my job, and just kept on driving on.
Apparently, he did do well, because even with the inevitable setbacks,
hey, bring that round back.
His entire team is now either certified or officially recertified.
Specialist Holmes is doing very well. He is retaining a lot of information. I told him to soak it up like a sponge when he first got to the unit, and he's doing just that. You wouldn't notice him from 13 Bravo to 11 Bravo.
442, verified.
From the airborne operations in World War II to the rapid deployment and humanitarian assistance in Haiti, the 2nd Brigade is known for its flexibility.
They need us to have our skills ready for anything. If they call for a fire, we always have to be ready, and that's what we're doing here.
Army Sergeant Tony McCaslin, Camp Ramadi, Iraq.